The timing chain controls the timing of the engine's valves. If it is not installed correctly, your engine can run poorly, or not at all. If your car has a TSI engine and you are hearing rattling sounds or having timing problem, it might be time to check the timing chain. Here are the explanation of how to properly time and install timing chain. Before starting any work on your car, make sure to park it on a flat surface to prevent it from rolling or shifting. Next, disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical accidents or shorts while working. It is also important to let the engine cool down completely, as working on a hot engine can be dangerous and may cause burns. Carefully remove the drain plug from the bottom of the engine and allow the old oil to drain into a suitable container or oil pan. Make sure the pan is positioned correctly to catch all the oil. Let the oil drain completely before moving on to the next task. Remove the top engine cover and lower plastic panels. Remove the serpentine belt. Take off the valve cover and timing chain cover. Rotate the crankshaft until cylinder 1 is at TDC. You will notice the camshaft and crankshaft marks line up when this is done right. Use the proper locking tools to keep the camshafts and crankshaft from moving. This ensures everything stays in the correct position while you work. Loosen and remove the chain tensioner. Remove the old chain, guides, and sprockets. Be careful not to drop anything inside the engine. Install the new crankshaft and camshaft sprockets if included. Fit the new guides and chain onto the sprockets. Make sure the timing marks are aligned correctly. Put in the new chain tensioner. Make sure the chain is tight between the sprockets and there is no slack. Carefully remove the locking tools from the engine once everything is set in place. Then, using a ratchet on the crankshaft, slowly rotate the engine manually through 2 full turns. This step ensures that everything moves smoothly and there are no obstructions. After rotating, recheck the timing marks. If all the marks line up correctly, it means the timing is properly set and the installation was successful. Clean and reseal the timing cover with proper sealant. Reinstall the valve cover, serpentine belt, and engine covers. Pour in new engine oil and change the oil filter. Reconnect the battery. Installing and timing a timing chain on a TSI engine is a detailed job. It takes time, patience, and the right tools. But when done properly, it can give your engine a new life and prevent major damage. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your engine runs smoothly and safely.